Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, we are here to get our variegated jungle fever. Wow! The billetes were 10,000. This has been so long, let's get right into the video. So guys, this is our variegated jungle fever that we got for 1,800 pesos. Since we just got this, we will be repotting this one, and we will be showing you as well on how to take care of a newly propagated philodendron, especially if you got something like this. Actually, before we got this, we were already informed that this is a 3-week-old top cut. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. We will be checking the roots first. Let's see kung may roots na ba talaga to. And it really helps us well if you take time to ask what is the background of the plant that you are getting. So for this one, nagtanong kami, top cut nga to. But it has new roots, so look at those white roots. Siya yung mga bagong roots niya. So for this one, we can actually check some of its petioles. Kasi nga, since top cut siya, hindi maiiwasan na merong leaves na mamamatay, especially those who are near the cut itself. Upon checking, dalawa po sa leaves niya, medyo soft na yung petioles, so we can just remove it. Do not be afraid. Again and again, we are not claiming to be experts, but this worked for us, so we are sharing it to you, hoping that it will work the same way on you. Because as what we have observed, those leaves na malapit talaga sa cut, mamamatay eventually. I have seen people posting online why the leaves of their plants are dying, especially if they were able to buy a top cut. Well, normal lang po yun. As long as you are giving your best in taking care of them, then there is nothing to worry because they will develop new ones. So for now, he is just cleaning the roots to see if may papalabas na ugat. So as what we can see here, dito sa internode niya, may papalabas na isang ugat. And those na lalabas dun sa nodes mismo ay yung mga bagong dahon. And when we say nodes, sila yung mga stripe na nakikita natin sa katawan ng philodendrons. And for now, he is wrapping it with this fiber, as you can see, and you might be thinking that this is a coconut fiber. Unfortunately, it is not. You are maybe wondering why he's doing this, but this is just to protect the plant itself na mababad sa too much water kasi nga palaging umuulan nowadays, and there are chances na matagal mag-dry yung soil kasi nga laging nababasa. Anyway guys, this is the fiber that he has been using. It is a common knowledge that philodendrons do not like too much water, especially the newly propagated ones. So this is actually where that fiber came from. This is our philodendron millinoni. Sobrang maingay lang po talaga yung mga manok. I'm so sorry for that. So katatanggal lang ng mga dried cataphyls niya at yun yung ginamit kasi this is how it looks like kapag hindi pa tinanggal. So itong isang philodendron namin na millinoni hindi pa natatanggalan ng ganon. And since it is very much softer when you compare it to the coconut fiber, ito po yung ginamit namin sa variegated jungle fever. So ayan, nirap lang siya. It's gonna look like you're putting some bandage sa sugat. Well, definitely mukha namang sugat to kasi nga kakakat lang. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So, pati yung sa ilalim. So, next to this is that we will be putting the coconut fiber at the bottom of the pot. And make sure, especially if your pot is new and you are using plastic pots, make sure na maraming butas yung pots just to make sure that the water will drain easily. Because no matter how loose your soil is, if your pot does not have enough holes to drain the excess water, then it will still fail. Believe me, been there, done that. So yan, we are just putting enough amount of coconut fiber. So we will move on to our potting mix. This is the garden soil which is mixed with cow manure,
kukupit, vermicast, Marami. Rice house.
We are just preparing enough amount of potting mix for our jungle fever. We just have to mix them thoroughly, so we are preparing a loose potting mix for our plant. And the rice hulls as well will help drain the excess water. However, if maraming manok sa bahay nyo, nako, ingat-ingat lang kasi they are very tempting and masisira lang yung plants nyo kapag napabayaan. Believe me, they will never stop scratching until maubos yung mga nakikita nilang rice hulls kahit may tanim pang nakalagay dyan. But anyway guys, do not worry too much when some of the leaves will die eventually. Especially kapag bagong tanim, nakabili kayo ng bagong cut, that is really normal. So you just have to take care of it, yung normal na pag-care nyo. As long as you are giving your best, it will still grow and magkakaroon siya ng mga bagong leaves that is even more beautiful than how it looked like when you decided to buy it. I don't think this price is a good deal. Normally, I buy pots below 50 pesos. But since siya po yung pumili ng pot, nako, ang mahal-mahal. Filipinos do this every time. Tinatanggal talaga yung mga tag na pagkahirap-hirap tanggalin. So, ayan, it's time to add the potting mix. So, ayan, ilalagay na natin siya sa pot. And then you have to position it in a way you want it to look like when it will grow. You know, that other leaf is actually turning yellow, but I still love to look at the variegation, so I decided to stop him from removing it. Its petiole isn't that soft when you compare it to the other two, so okay lang, medyo pastehin pa natin siya dyan ng mga ilang days. There are instances as well na yung budding leaf, especially if bagong cut, merong ibang namamatay talaga yung budding leaf, but do not worry, a new one will grow. Those are the dilemmas that I usually see being posted on Facebook. So I'm just here to tell you that it's okay, kaya mo yan. But I will feel the same way as well kung ako yung nakabili and then pagkamahal-mahal tapos hindi ko alam na magiging okay lang din. I'm not telling you that you shouldn't feel that, but I'm just trying to tell you that it's gonna be okay. So there's nothing much to worry about. Anyway guys, please to make sure that when you plant it, hindi yung parang kapag minove mo lang yung pot, parang uuga-uga siya. I do not know if that's the right term, but yung ibig kong sabihin, yung parang nayuyugyug siya kasi parang hindi siya kumakapit sa pinagtaniman sa kanya. Make sure that you are putting enough amount of soil, but do not naman lunurin sila sa sobrang dami ng mga lupang nilalagay mo na hindi na naman makakahinga yung halaman. Let us always remember that anything in excess is bad. So ayan, we are almost done and we'll try to see if the potting mix that we have prepared is just enough for this jungle fever. Kasi the first time that I saw this one, talagang I made sure that I will be able to get this, and few weeks, ewan ko kung weeks ba or days later, I really came back to get this one. For those who are still doubting and who do not want to take the risk in buying some TOPCUT, you really don't have to worry guys, as long as you are giving the proper care for philodendrons. If you are buying philodendrons, then it's okay. Siguraduhin mo lang nang may marami na siyang roots para makapag-survive siya. And knowing na bagong cut yung nakuha mo, make sure that you will be putting it in a shaded area in your garden and avoid exposing it to direct sunlight because there is a bigger chance na masunog yung leaves niya. Smile, smile. So ayan guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and I do hope that you learned something. Please do watch out for more tips and videos that we will be sharing to you. Let's get right into the montage. So for today, you have been with us. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Advance Merry Christmas and shout out to all of those who supported us. PLANTZILLA is nothing without you. To God be the glory, guys. Happy holidays. Thank you so much. Bye.